This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Transmission oil renewal. Draining. Position the workshop jack under the lower arm front mounting point with a piece of wood on the jack head. Then raise the vehicle until the tyre is clear of the ground. Place an axle stand under the sill flange at the jacking point, indicated by an arrow pressed into the sill. Remove the jack. Repeat this procedure on the other side of the vehicle. Position the workshop jack under the trailing arm with a block of wood on the jack head, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. The jacking points are indicated by arrows pressed into the sill. Position an axle stand under the relevant jacking point, then lower the vehicle. Engine under tray. Undo the 2 screws securing the under tray to the bumper. Undo the 5 remaining screws and remove the under tray. Place a suitable container under the transmission, then using a square key, unscrew the drain plug and allow the oil to drain. Renew the drain plug sealing washer. Wipe clean the area around the drain hole, then refit the plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Remove the oil drain container from underneath the vehicle. Refilling. Unscrew the filler plug from the front of the transmission casing. Insert the end of a hose into the filler plug aperture in the transmission, with a funnel on the other end of the hose. Add the correct grade of the transmission oil. The level is correct when oil begins to emerge from the filler plug aperture. Remove the filler hose, then refit and securely tighten the filler plug. Position the tray under the vehicle, then insert and tighten the 5 retaining screws. Refit and tighten the 2 screws securing the front of the under tray to the bumper. Raise the vehicle and remove the axle stands. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground.